Hello students, let's learn about our Earth today. So our Earth is a very beautiful planet, isn't it? It's green and blue. It has got the sky, the land, the seas and everything. So let us learn how this happened, how our Earth was formed and what is the shape of our Earth. Okay? So our Earth is the third planet from the Sun in the solar system, isn't it? And our Earth is the only planet where life exists. But it was not how we see it now. When the Earth was formed, it was very hot, and the hot water vapor released from it cooled down, formed clouds, and poured down as rain. And this rain cooled down the surface of the Earth. As the surface of the earth started cooling down, slowly by slowly living things began to appear. And the earth is the only planet where life is known to exist. So the scientists are doing their researches on the other planets, but till now there is no life found. Now our earth has land, air and water, which makes it very much suitable for life on this planet. This blue part shows the water present on earth and the green part shows the land where we are living. So the air covers the entire earth like a blanket, and this blanket of air is called the atmosphere. So as you can see in this picture below, it is covered in this picture below. This layer is the atmosphere and it is covering our earth and protecting us from the dangerous and harmful rays of the sun, and this layer is called as the atmosphere. And also we know that living organisms need air to breathe, and this air is given by the atmosphere which we have. We live on land and that makes up 1/4 of the earth. So the land where we live consists of only 1/4 part of the earth and the rest is covered with water. That is 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. So we have large amount of water on the earth and a less amount of land. And because of this water, our earth looks blue from the outer space and from the moon. So there are many satellites which send pictures of the earth from the space. So they show that our earth looks like a blue ball. Then we get our light from the sun. And the sun helps the plants and animals to grow. It is the heat from the sun which keeps the earth warm, thus supporting life on earth. So because of the sun, we all are living in this earth and the sun keeps us warm. Now what do you think about the shape of the earth? As we see far away, it seems like our earth is flat, isn't it? It feels as if our earth looks like a flat piece of paper. But no, our earth is not flat. The satellite images that have been taken from the satellites above, that is from the space and the moon, shows that the earth is like a huge ball. So it looks like a huge football, not like that of a coin, but that it looks like a football, that is it is spherical in shape. Okay, and that also it is blue, it shows as if it is blue in color. Now what happens, long time ago, like the people, they were not advanced in science, our early people. So what they thought, that the earth was flat. They believed that if we travel in a sea, then after moving up to some distance, that is by the end of the sea, the people will drop and then they will fall down. And there is no point to return. They thought that they will fall down and then there is no return. So they never traveled by the sea, or they didn't have the courage to travel by the sea because they thought that they will fall down at some point. But you see, the earth is not flat. So how can we understand this? Just go look at this video here in the slide. So this is a ship. It is traveling by the sea. Okay, as it keeps on traveling, after some time it reaches the end, that is the horizon, but still the tip of the ship can be seen. Okay, but if the earth was flat, then the ship would have gone out of our sight. But here what happens, even though the time passes, we can still see the tip of the ship. So this proves that our earth is not flat and it is a round surface. So I hope you have understood till here. Thank you. And in the next video we will learn about the movement of the earth. Thank you.